Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. Barry M Philippines recently sent me their latest festive collection nail paints, and here they are. By the way, these products are manufactured in Britain, and they have sustainable packaging, 100% cruelty-free, 100% vegan, and eco-friendly. Now let's start swatching these Jelly High Shine nail paints. Let's first swatch Tarragon. Tarragon has a metallic deep green shade. Next we have this Beetroot. Beetroot has a metallic burgundy shade. So for the third nail polish, it has two pronunciations. In American, it's pronounced as agave, and for British, it's pronounced as agave. Agave or agave has a metallic silver shade. Fourth, we have this Juniper. Juniper has a metallic deep blue shade. Fifth we have is Dandelion. Dandelion has a metallic champagne gold shade. And lastly, we have this Carnation. Carnation has a metallic pink shade. These nail paints have an ultra shiny, high coverage formula that glides with the help of their wide and easy to use brush. They're also in a 10 ml bottle. You can grab these shades at Lazada and Shopee. Links will be available on the description box below. And also kindly check out Barry M on Facebook and Instagram. And thank you so much Barry M Philippines for sending me this collection. Happy holidays! If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe, happy holidays, bye!